This kitten wearing a star clip looks ready to conquer the galaxy, but then she gets way too close to the lens and creates a total furry blackout.
It take you that long to find
It does.
This fluffy cloud is basically a tiny shark in a polar bear suit. Send help before he consumes my hand. Watch this tiny pink speedster zoom through the hallway before tucking into a cozy blanket for a well-deserved nap. He is definitely the world champion of being both extremely fast and incredibly adorable.
That's amazing, little builder.
Here's your train. You made a beggar's train? Have some shame.
My hard work. It's all broken.
Son, don't cry. We'll make it even better.
Go, Papa. Go, Papa. Go.
Strong enough that no one can break it.
It should be wet.
You got it.
Now let's see who's laughing.
How did this happen?
Bye-bye, losers!
Look at this tiny golden potato sitting in the palm of my hand like he belongs there. Those big dark eyes are clearly full of secrets and an immediate plan to chew on every single shoe I own. He is absolutely the cutest little thief I have ever seen. Resistance to this level of fluff is futile.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Name is John C.
He is truly dressed for success in his blue suit while flashing a charming smile for the camera. Suddenly he realizes that he forgot to pay the bill and decides to quickly head home for a long nap instead.
간식? 간식 있다. 간식. 너 거짓말 치지 말라.
Life with a Cat is essentially living inside a low-budget action movie where the director is constantly changing the script and the lead actor refuses to follow any safety protocols. 1 minute you have a fluffy orange marshmallow politely investigating a closed door as if he is expecting a formal invitation to the hallway. Then suddenly the scene shifts and you are witnessing a gravity-defying blur of fur that looks like a glitch in the simulation. Just when you think the plot has reached its peak chaos, the film countdown begins and you find yourself staring into the face of a white cat that is clearly reconsidering every life choice while being harassed by a yellow banana. It is truly a feline fever dream. Observe the majestic feline sovereign in his natural habitat, lounging upon the ceramic throne of his kingdom with the nonchalant grace of a retired emperor. He possesses the stoic facial expression of a philosopher who has finally unraveled the cosmic mysteries of the red laser dot but simply chooses not to share the secret with us mere mortals. His white paws are positioned with calculated elegance, suggesting he is ready to sign a royal decree or perhaps just demand a third breakfast. Every slight tilt of his head radiates a level of judgment that only a creature who sleeps 20 hours a day can truly master. This cat does not merely exist, he tolerates our presence while maintaining his impeccable fur. Behold the majestic presence of a feline sovereign who clearly understands that the entire household rotates around his very existence. This cat does not just lay on the floor, he graces the hardwood with a level of poise that suggests he is currently weighing the pros and cons of allowing you to remain in his kingdom. With that focused gaze and perfectly tucked paws, he is giving off major main character energy while simultaneously judging your choice of interior decor. He is the king of the castle, the master of the meow, and the undisputed CEO of napping in patches of sunlight.
Do ba 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 do boo do a boo ba do ba do boo boo ba do.
My ginger cat is clearly reconsidering every life choice while being forced into this cuddle puddle. Meanwhile, the calico is chaotic and the human is just tired. This feline drama deserves an award or a long nap. Ever wonder if your cat came with an assembly manual that you accidentally threw away with the box? These feline contortionists have clearly decided that standard physics are merely a suggestion rather than a rule of law. We start with the polite sleeper, paws tucked in a perfect symmetrical prayer, only for things to devolve into a chaotic gravity-defying circus. One cat appears to have lost its spine entirely while resting in a bowl, looking less like a mammal and more like a scoop of melted cookies and cream ice cream. Then there is the brave soul attempting to nap on an exercise bike, proving that fitness is exhausting even if you are just using the equipment as a hammock.
You and me, right now, we're having it out. Let's go. Come on, come on.
Kann man nur so faul sein, werde ich immer wieder gefragt. Ganz einfach. Man kuschelt sich in die Couch, macht es sich gemütlich.
Singing my heart out to this lunar masterpiece.
Güzel kızım. Oy.
Oh, God! No! God, please, no! No! No!
This magnificent beast has clearly mastered the complex art of absolute leisure. We begin with a profile shot so majestic it belongs on a silver coin, showing a visionary feline pondering the deep mysteries of the afternoon nap. Suddenly, the vibe shifts to a full floor sprawl where gravity is merely a suggestion and the belly is on full display. Navigating furniture becomes a high-stakes game of liquid physics between two chairs, followed by a dramatic facepalm that perfectly captures my Monday mood. Finally.
Lom. À, đẹp chưa? Lom.
Look at this majestic predator reduced to a pile of sentient cookie dough by the mere suggestion of a knuckle rub. We start with a blurry close-up of a face that has clearly forgotten how to cat, followed by the illegal touching of the forbidden toe beans. 1 minute they are fierce hunters of the night, and the next they are offering up their pink paws for a light manicure. By the 4th frame, the transition from apex killer to fuzzy puddle is complete. This package delivery seems slightly more aggressive than usual today. I ordered a standard mystery box, but I certainly did not expect it to come with its own built-in shredding service and tiny pink toe beans. It appears my newest roommate has finally arrived, and honestly, check out this fluffy criminal captured in high definition. This master of chaos looks adorable while chained up, but those extra toes are clearly meant for grand larceny and stealing every single one of your hearts.